This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device for a predictable drain so changes are measurable. Remove the charger, unplug accessories, and disable automatic charging behaviors. Once done, max the screen brightness, enable any performance or gaming modes, and open a power-hungry app or video stream. You want continuous load rather than bursts. This prevents quick recovery phases. Make sure notifications are silenced, but keep connectivity on if you intend to use network activity to accelerate discharge. Now you sustain and, if needed, speed up the discharge by combining tasks. Start a long-duration video or a benchmark loop. At the same time, enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS so radios cycle and draw power. Once running, initiate cloud sync or large file transfers and open multiple browser tabs with active media. Vary the workload intermittently to prevent thermal throttling, because sustained high temperature can reduce drain efficiency. Monitor the percentage frequently so you know the rate. Finish by letting the device drop to the exact battery percentage you need, then stop the heavy tasks and make a note of elapsed time and conditions. If the percentage stalls or jumps unexpectedly, restart the device and repeat the controlled workload to confirm reproducibility. Make sure the device doesn't overheat. If it does, pause and cool it down because thermal throttling changes drain behavior. If you see rapid, erratic drops, check battery health diagnostics to rule out hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.